wimsuit? What's a wimsuit? I thought a wimsuit was something else. Huh?
Swim.
Whim. Swim. Swim. Not swim. Swim. Whatever.
Pull that strap up, little girl.
Swim.
Very good. What you laughing at?
Tampa Bay.
What?
Buccaneers.
You about to crap on yourself?
No, I'm about to cry.
Cry?
Yeah.
Because you miss Nathan so much?
No.
Mimi, talk to the camera.
Bye.
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 Daddy?
Yeah, I hear you.